little Let's Play of The Walking Dead Survival Instinct. I can't wait till I get Daryl's crossbow. I really want his crossbow. Okay, do I grab the knife? Yeah. So I heard that those sports strengths and chemical MREs can heal you.
Daryl, come here. We gotta work up. Have you ever seen anything like that? If you told me about it, I'd call you a liar. Listen, there's more of them coming. We gotta go. Now, the only thing we gotta do is kill every last one of them. Daryl, I know you
gone
were
mad?
upset, but just listen. That sounds like a whole lot of them. We need to go now. Gather up as much as you can and meet me at the truck. Let's go then. Daryl, remember what we learned about him. Head trauma. Attack the brain. Remember, the only thing we know that kills him. And be quiet sneaking out the back door.
Okay.
Don't let him see you.
I hear him breaking in. Okay. I guess I... Ooh, chemical MRE. Those heal you the best. Sneak up and hold RB tips. I don't want him to see me. Back, back, stab. Why did I hit him? I should have executed. But again, hammer's good. Sure. Okay, he's dead. I don't want to shoot the gun. I've heard that attracts them. Come here. One more can. Okay. I thought they saw me. Okay. Let me get this. Just so I've heard these distract them, so toss. Go over there. Grab these two bottles. And run for it. Run! Okay. Okay. Okay.
Move on, Daryl.
I am. What do you think I'm doing? Get in. Okay, just Colin joined the group. Single capture found. Okay. Okay, it looks like that's the only person. I'm gonna have to say back roads because it has high fuel.
Not a damn thing. My phone ain't working either. Hey, about your dad? I don't know what to say about it.
Then don't. Leave it be. But we gotta tell Merle what happened.
Yeah, I suppose we do. But we ought to warn people first.
What? Go to the cops? Please. We gotta go get Merle.
Merle, he's just not right.
Daryl's gonna get
What you say to
mad.
me, old man? Merle's 10 times the man you are.
All right. Just seems you boys turn hay into shit when you're together.
Am I just stopped, or is this a mission? Okay, this is a mission.